Alright, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1.
What kind of trees do people usually plant in your country?
I believe my country lack in plantation because we don't pay more attention towards planting trees. But neem tree is abundant in my country, and some other forms like deodar is available in northern areas.
Okay, the word neem and deodar, they both are from local language.
So
So
that's why-
whenever it comes to trees, flowers, just talk about a couple of names. For trees, I
But they
give you.
ask what kind of tree I have to name something.
You
no?
have to name in English. Neem is not English word. Deodar is not English word. Sunnobar is not English word. Okay? So you need to use some English words. So for that, the best thing is fruit trees. If you know 10 names of fruits, you can just add 3. Mango tree, apple tree, guava tree, orange tree. Just like this, you can answer comfortably. Okay? Next question.
Have you ever planted trees?
Yes, during my childhood, we used to visit our farmland, and I often planted some fruit trees there. I planted a mango tree, and I still remember that whenever I used to visit afterwards, I looked at its growth, and I used to be very happy.
Good, fantastic. Next.
What kind of trees do you plant?
I love to plant trees that give enormous fruit and shadow in later ages, and I still associate this plantation with my professional life as well. I want to do something for my coming generation, just like trees provide fruit and shadows to the coming generations.
Would you like to plant some trees in your house in the future?
Yes, I would love to plant some trees in my house, but for this purpose, I need to have a bigger house. Soon we'll shift at our new house, and in my courtyard, I would like to plant some mango trees.
Good, very good. For part 1, your answers are good. They are appropriate. Just keep answering like that. Okay? Good job. Thank you.
Thank you.